Welcome back to the channel. Today is August 17th, 2025, and we're discussing the latest update on Soundhound AI, ticker symbol Soun. Soun has been making waves lately. As of August 15th, the stock closed at $15.60 after a recent rally where it surged over 14% in one day back in July, breaking through analyst price targets. Over the past month, Soun has jumped around 35%, with a stunning 190% gain year-over-year, making it one of the standout stocks in the AI sector. Soundhound's growth is powered by its leadership in voice AI, supported by major partnerships with brands like Mercedes-Benz, Hyundai, Kia, and Chipotle. The company reported Q1 2025 revenue of $29.1 million, a 151% increase over last year, and holds a $1.2 billion booking backlog up 75% year-over-year. Fueling bullish sentiment is also Soundhound's strong balance sheet, with over $246 million in cash and no long-term debt. For trading strategy, Soun remains a high-volatility stock with a beta above 3, suitable for aggressive traders. Momentum traders should watch for potential breakouts above current levels near $16 and use volume spikes and technical indicators like RSI to time entries and exits. Protective stop losses are essential given the stock's volatility. Long-term investors may consider accumulating on dips, betting on sustained growth in AI adoption and Soundhound's expanding client base. Keep an eye on upcoming earnings expected in November and any updates on converting the booking backlog into realized revenue. That's the latest on Soun. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more timely market insights. Thanks for watching.